Dexa! Bumaba si Dexa, okay? Mag-McDonald's daw muna yung mga kids. So, what's the day today? It's Saturday. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going first? Dexa! So, ayan. So, pupunta kami ng strawberry farm. So, dumaan muna dito kami sa Cross Iron banda na McDonald's. Ayan. So, magte-take out muna kami ng breakfast kasi wala nakapag-prepare. Dexa, lamig nga lang. Hindi naman sobra. Mahangin lang pero maganda yung panahon. Ayan, so dito nag-order si Dexy. Huh? Where's Daddy? Daddy's inside? Ayan, so dito muna ka mag-order tapos saka mo hintayin yung order mo here. So dito to sa Cross Iron to McDonald's na to. So I'm just waiting for our order. Yeah. How many points na tayo? May points si Dexy eh. How many? Nag-ano siya ng points. Yeah. Go guys. Ayan, nakuha na ni ate. So, let's go.
It's also really hot, so I brought pancake kay Dexa. I will give you the pancake, Dexa. Yeah, and then sa amin to ni Daddy.
I want to see if
Kids meal si Dexa. At kami naman ay simple breakfast ng McDo here. So, ganito siya. Liit lang to. Sige, tag-isa kami ni husband. Ayan. Then, nag-order kami na things. Hey, Daddy, what about your points? Daddy. Ayan. Burger. Breakfast meal ng McDo.
Hindi naman yan burger.
Oh! Yeah, what's this then? Muffin pala to. It's a muffin pala to, hindi burger. Sorry naman. Ano sa'yo, bebe?
Bacon and egg muffin.
Oh!
That one I
Yan,
think Daddy got with.
yan, kape na si Daddy. Kain muna kami. And then we're traveling 1.5 hours going to that farm. Strawberry farm. So, we will share to you our experience this year. Kung,
a half an hour.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Kasi, last year, bebe, is maliliit ata, ano? And then yung covered lang nila yung parang nagustuhan namin kasi malalaki dun. But yung quality niya hindi ganun katamis po. We will share to you kung ano experience namin this year. So yeah.
It was yummy for me.
Huh? Yummy still?
Yeah, the strawberry.
Marami ng company.
We thought it was not good.
Okay, so let's see. See you there.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
So ito na kami. Oh my God. Sira na ang ating tenga. We're here na po. So, yeah. Uy, tama na yan. Uy, Dexa, stop. It's too loud. Too loud. Yeah, so sabi nga ni husband, marami na nga daw sasakyan. So, yun. 10 kasi ang sinabi. Pero ilan families pa lang naman yan. Yeah. So, yeah. So, we will do some vegetable picking and strawberry picking as well. So, meron ata din silang sunflower. I don't know where's the sunflower. Sabi meron eh. Sa kanilang page. Yan. So, ito yung farm. So, they have cabbage here. Siguro try namin mag-ano din ng cabbage. May beans, may peas, potato. Yeah. Ayan. Late din kami nagising at the same time dumaan pa ng mga food. Ayan. So, aalis to. So, dito tayo. So, yan. I will show you. Ayan din. May mga corn din sila here sa side na to. Ayan. So, excited si Dexa. So, ito yung entrance niya. Jungle Farm. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Hi. Yeah, very good.
Okay. Yes. One each.
Can we grab this one? Can we use this one?
Just for baskets, unfortunately, it's much too tippy to put kids in.
Okay.
How many baskets are you guys wanting to take out?
Two baskets. What about if we will pick some vegetables? Do you have
I
it?
recommend you pick your berries first because they are in a farther field, and we do pick out as we get into the afternoon.
Okay.
If you want to pick vegetables, just come back here after you've picked your strawberries, and I'll send you out with the proper equipment and bags for what you want to pick. Ready to head out to the field, you just go down the left side of this building, follow the signs out and around the dugout, then you'll see the field. Talk to someone in a shirt like this, and they will tell you which row to pick on. Just make sure your whole family picks on that row. Our berries are $5.15 a pound. If you fill the basket all the way to the top, it comes to roughly $27, but just pick for what you want to pay for. We take debit and cash in the farm.
Thank you. Okay.
Very soon.
Yeah. So, yan. Strawberry patch. Yan. So, maglalakad lang kayo ng mga 5 minutes lang siguro din from their store. Yan. So, we're excited na mag-pick ng strawberry this year, 2023. Oops. Yeah, malapit na kami. So, hindi lang ata 5 minutes ang nilakad namin. 10 minutes. Ayan. Kasi yun na, kikita nyo yung mga taong yun. O, dun pa siya banda. Tapos, ang kanilang farm, dun pa. I mean, yung kanilang parang kung saan ka magbabayad. Farmhouse nila, I mean. Ayan, so, marami na palang tao. Ayan, oh. Kala namin, 10 ang start. Parang 8 ata talaga sila nag-start. E dumating kami 9:30. So, ito yung binigay sa amin. Doon ka kay ate, daddy.
The big one?
Yes. Big one and red one. Okay? Okay. So, marami dito din pero maliliit siya. Where? Okay.
This one, is this one fine?
Yes.
Okay, I take it out and put it. I take this one out. Wait,
Yeah.
I can't take this.
Ooh! First pick of Daxa!
Marami sa Rixa dyan. Sa tingnan mo mabuti sa marami sa dyan.
Oo, marami nga eh. Daxa, oh.
I a baby.
Okay.
I can't see everything.
Yeah.
Wait, I think I see one over here.
Kita
Is
mo?
this big enough?
Oh, yes. That's big, though.
That's big enough. I put it.
Mm-hmm.
This one big enough. There you go.
Wow. There you go.
I got two.
Okay.
Daddy, I get two.
She got 2.
But this is small one. It looks so cute.
Yeah. Here din Dexa, oh. Dexa, here.
I need it.
Mhm.
I can't see it, but I will get this one. Is it big enough?
Small lang siya. Small siya.
Not enough?
Oo. Okay. Get the other, there.
Wait.
Here. Here.
This one? This one, Mommy?
No, the other side. Oh, no, not that good. The other side. Wala pa siya. Mag-ano kami mamaya, magsa-side kami kasi nga hindi namin nakikita yung iba. Yeah.
Yan, dadaanan nyo. Yun, oh.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay. Okay, go.
Is this good?
Oh yeah, that one is good.
Okay, I put my...
Ang galing din ni Dexa mag-pick eh. Yan, no? Okay. Just make it slowly, guys. Enjoy the moment. If you like.
Wow. Can somebody hold this?
Yeah, I will hold this one for
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Daddy!
There.
Big!
It's big. Okay, go ahead. Okay, let's go. Go ahead. Is that big?
No,
No? Okay.
it's not big enough though.
It's not big enough.
This,
That's so cute though. You want to get that one?
which one?
This one? The small one?
This one?
Yes.
Sorry. The one
Be
there.
careful when you put in your basket. Just put it slowly. You don't have to put like that kasi madudurog siya. This one, baby, oh. I have here.
Wait.
There's a strawberry here. And the other one here.
Ooh, I'm gonna get one from over.
Go ahead. So, maganda yung strawberry nila this year. So, ito din yung mga tao. Ayan, oh. Ayan, ang dami din tao ngayon.
Yeah, mommy.
Mm. Yeah. Okay. Okay, put it there. Okay, there pa, oh.
Wait.
There.
Oh, I find the key.
Yeah.
Is
Okay.
this one
Okay,
good?
go.
This one good.
There. Okay.
Yummy.
Okay, put it slowly. I told you, slowly. And then the other one, there.
Oh,
You go
the
to the
small
patch.
one.
Yeah, yummy yan.
This one.
There.
I got white strawberry than others.
Okay, the other one. Yeah, there. There's others.
I'll see this one.
No, the other side. The other side. There. There. This one.
This one.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, this one looks good.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's go ahead. Careful with your strawberry in the basket.
Is this one okay now?
Yeah, you can pick.
Okay, I'll put mine.
Okay.
It's
Oh yeah,
good.
that one is good though. Wow. Careful. So, maraming strawberry din na hinog ngayon. Unlike last year. Yeah, you can get that. Tapos, ang ipipick mo dito is babayaran mo siya. Papakilo namin mamaya dun.
I will see
Oh my God. There's no free, bebe.
that one bag.
Hey, bebe, that one is big. I saw big one there. There. I get that one.
Not the yellow one.
Yeah.
Because
not
they're
the-
still trying to grow.
Yes.
Next year it will be better.
Okay, next year or that one. See?
This one.
Okay. You can get it. Okay. Careful. The other one there. You don't like? There's nothing in there?
This.
Yeah? You don't like?
I want it.
So beautiful, right?
And it's so small.
Okay.
The ones are big and red.
Yeah.
Oh, this is.
Okay, it's okay. Go. Go. Okay, you can get this one too.
Yes, I'll
Two.
see if there's this one.
Okay, go. Okay.
I think I find one more.
Okay.
Is there? Oh, this one too small.
It's okay. You can get that.
Because it's only red.
Yeah. It's
Like the
already.
ones that are red.
Nana,
You ate it already?
this one.
How did you eat one?
Galit si Dex sa kinain ko yung isa. Eat it! Sabi niya. Ito din, ang ganda din niya. I-help ko na lang siya sa mga liblib na hindi niya makita. It's in this, loob-loob niya. Ayan din. I-help ko siya ng 3. Pero all yan dapat siya. Careful! Sabi ko sa'yo, ilagay mo lang ng tama. See? Kawawa siya. We will go to the other side mamaya.
That catches my eye though.
Yeah, okay.
A little.
Ay, marami na nakuha si Dexa.
Look, wait. Last time we went from the cactuses.
Sige, oh, marami dyan. Careful.
Oh, I'm not getting that one. It's gonna be too hard. There's a bug on it.
Bug?
Bug poop, I think.
No. I will help you.
There's a bug. There's a bee.
Okay, oh, this is big one. Big one here. Ang dami nila dyan. Oh.
Yes, but this bee.
Ang lalaki nila, bee.
Only this bee.
Okay, no, hindi yan. Bee, may bee. Okay, alisin natin yung bee para alis siya. Okay, umalis na siya.
It's like you fight them first.
Okay, sige, get mo yan. Oh, napakalaki niyan na. Get it properly. Careful. Okay.
So,
Ayaw ni Dexa. Okay. Oh, the other big one. There. The other big one.
it's a bee.
Yeah. No? Oh, yan. Laki. Oh, the other one. The other side. Yan pa. Kunin mo pa. Dito. Here. Oh. You cannot see that?
I did.
Okay.
I thought you didn't
Okay.
mean
Let's
that.
go. You want that one? You can get. Okay. Okay.
I think I have more than accurate.
Let's see.
Find one over here.
Oh, no. Ayan yan. Sige.
Why did it think I was getting the yellow one?
Yeah. I thought it's the yellow one. Sorry. Magulo tong vlog ko kasi ina-assist ko si Dexa. Yeah. Magwa-wipes tayo mamaya. May wipes ako dun sa car. You will wash your hand.
There.
Okay.
Touch it each one.
Okay. So, nandito ako ngayon. Nandun si Daddy at saka si Dexy. Yan, ang dami din namin nakuha.
I think I got more than them.
Okay.
No.
That one is big, Dexa. 2. I saw 2 big.
That one.
And 2. Okay, go.
This one.
Yes, that's too big.
Ang galing ni Dexa kumuha yan.
This one catches my eye.
Wow. O, the other one.
Back so I could get it.
Dapat nililinis din nila to. Okay, go ahead.
I could step on it.
Yeah, of course. Can. Hindi nila nililinis yung mga pathway.
No, this one's bad, Mommy. The other one is attached to it.
Oh, okay. Dexa, come here. I saw something here that's so big. Here ka sa side na to. It's so big. Too big. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yan. May dalawa siyang nakita dito. Okay, the other one. Yan, ang galing na ni Dexa, oh. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Good thing, ang suot niya ngayon is meron siyang
If you have boots.
boots. Binili ko yan sa Costco sa kanya. Buti lang, kasya na. Kasi parang nung last na trinay niya eh, ang laki. Ayaw niyang isuot.
Another one catches my eye.
Oh, another one touches our eye.
I peeled the
Okay. Ooh.
that one.
Okay,
Good, so I
sayang
can eat it
naman.
with it.
Yes.
Okay, don't have yellow enough juice now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I found one right there.
Don't get like that, Dexa. Masisira to agad.
What?
Yung ganito. Wag mo kunin ng ganito na should be like this, B.O. Kasama yung kanyang ganito. See?
I found. I guess it.
Ayan, marunong si Dexa. Kunin mo ng gayana. Thank you. So kasi, eto kasi, madaling masira. Mamaya sira na siya. Ayan, marami. So, babalik pa naman tayo kung may mga hindi tayo makita ng mga malalaki. Big. Is that big enough? Ah, okay.
This is good.
Mm-hmm.
This one big enough. It's so
Okay,
big.
smile ka muna. Saan? Oh, marunong si Dexa.
Is this good enough?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yan. Yan. So, marunong din siyang pumili. So, ang dami nilang strawberry this year. Good thing walang hail. Kasi most of the time kapag ganito ng mga summer here, nag-hail. Good thing ngayon wala. So, na-enjoy ng mga bata yung mag-strawberry picking. Unlike last year, Dex, ano? Very small. Tapos, ano pa? Sira pa yung mga iba.
I loved it, right?
Yeah.
I was the only one that loved it, but you guys hated it. 'Cause it was
Eh, maliliit eh. O, sige, get
yeah,
yung
and
basket
I
mo.
loved it because it was so. Oh, never.
Okay. O, doon na tayo. Pag ganyan na tayo. Pabalik na tayo mamaya. Meron daw ano doon eh. May flag daw doon pag nakuha natin. O, careful. I think I saw a lot here too. Careful, careful ka. Oh, okay. Yeah, that one. May nakita ako dyan. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Ooh. It's okay. Put it there. May isa pa doon, Dexa. Ayan. So, dito na si Dexa din. So, tingnan natin si ate, guys. Pick ka dyan. Ay, ang dami dyan, ate. Ayan natin, dami, oh. Ate use her nails. Ang gaganda ng mga kuha ni ate. Ayan.
How about Dexa? How do you pick it?
Oh, na ano ni Dexa, ginamit niya yung minsan eh, kinukuha niya tapos na parang nawawala yung sa taas niya.
Yung flowers?
Yeah, sige.
Sabi ni Daddy tanggalin natin yung flowers. So,
Okay, let's see.
very cute tingnan na may flowers.
Yeah, I know. Ayan si ate, nagpipick din siya ngayon. Ayan. Let's see mamaya, okay? Ayan. Hoy, madami nakita si ate. Laki. Oh.
Which one's my basket, guys? Which one's my basket?
Okay, let's go.
Daddy, which one's my basket?
Galing ng mga bata kumuha. Si Dexa. Ang galing mo Dexa kumuha. Ayan, napakita mo kay daddy mo. Show daddy. Hi. Dapat ate. Show daddy ate. There. Yeah, that's nice though. Yeah, yung ano na mamaya, pwede na natin. Marami na po si ate. Malaki na po yung ate.
Here, Dexa.
Careful ah.
This one.
Yeah, the kids enjoyed it. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good. So may ganito din sila dito. So pinapa-experience ko lang sa mga bata to, especially Dexa. Kasi once a year lang kami pumupunta dito. Ganito lang na season. It's either fall, strawberry picking, or a summer. Pero hindi namin naabutan yung summer. Sa dami ng activity namin ng weekends, may sisingit pa dyan yung mag-overtime si daddy, ganun. Hindi kami pwede, maulan, di maganda panahon. So talagang tina-timing ng lahat ang labas namin. So ilang weeks lang naman ang summer. And then fall season kung minsan na din maulan, malamig, ganun. So yun, yung istorya ng mga pasyal-pasyal namin here. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go. Yeah, but that one is dirty, kamo. Okay. Iwa-wipes kita mamaya. Ooh. Cute. Yan. Yan si Dexa here. So ito yung playground ng The Jungle Farm. Yan. Naglaro na yung dalawa. Yeah, you can use this one. Ang ganda nga ng pagkagawa din nila dito eh. Meron din ganyan sa school nyo? Oh, sa malakitang jungle farm. Talagang parang nasa ano ka, vessel ah. Kaya marami din silang mga palaruan dito. So ito yung parang pinaka farm house nila. So dito kayo magbabayad. Lo, malayo ang strawberry picking doon banda. Yan. Maingay kasi ito yung fun ko. Okay, enjoy! Ready? Get set! Go! Wala naman, di naman dumi yung pit mo. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Ala, ayaw pa umuwi. Nagustuhan niyang maliit na bahay. Naku, si Dexa. Ayan pa siya, oh. Ala, grabe. Hindi niya mapigilang mag-playground. Ayan. Okay, that's all for today. So ayan, we will try their vegetables at saka ibang mga pwedeng makuha here. Corn. Yan. So ang nakikita namin dito corn. Meron daw silang ano dito, bebe? Yung something like beans. Yeah, that's organic though. Meron din silang squash or zucchini. Gusto niyo ba yan, Dad? Masarap din yan pagka nag-ihaw ka sa steak sa ano. We'll try. Yeah. So, kuha kami mamaya ng zucchini here. Corn. Corn maze! Corn maze yung mga kids. Yan. Okay, let's start the corn maze.
It's a real maze, right?
Daddy said you can pick 10 pieces.
But if we finish it all, we could
Ay.
get more.
Yes. So, pina-experience namin sa mga kids ang pag-aani ng corn. Yan. Ang dami din yung babies. Oh. Ito corn. Baby nila to. Ayan, oh. There, here, the babies. Yan.
Hey.
Where? Ito na, oh. Yung nasa comb niya. Ito, here. Or, yan yung mga babies niya.
This?
Yes. That's the corn that we will get. Okay? So, find mo yung bigger one. Ito, malaki to, anak. Oh. This one, Dexa, malaki. This one, malaki to. This one, oh. You get that one.
This.
Yan, malaki to. Ito. Yan. Yan, oh, big yan.
How?
You will...
Can you hold it for me though?
Yeah. Dalawa, 2 hands mo.
Is this one?
Yes. You can break like this. You can break. You can...
Like in half?
Yeah. Sige. Yan. Sige. There. Sige, Dexa. Kaya mo yan, Dexa. Kaya mo. Huwag mong tanggalin to niya. Sige. Okay, you can do it. Ayan. Yan. Ala, ayan. Yan! Nakakuha si Dexa! Big ang nakuha niya. Ganyang kalaki. Show ate and daddy. Big corn. Pinagmalaki niya yung malaki niyang nakuha. Yang malaki yung nakuha ni ating mo, B. That's big.
This is gonna be my friend.
Yeah.
Mr. Johnny.
Ibigay mo kay daddy.
No, it's Mr. Johnny.
Eh, di ka na makakuha.
You
Pag...
respect how old he is?
Ano? Ila.
He's 5. He's Mr. Johnny.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, i-assist natin si ate din.
After
Assist natin si ate.
I'm good.
Okay, yung mga ganyang kalaki, bebe.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is big.
Is this big enough for
Oh, yes, that one is big. There. Paano makuha nyo, guys? Okay na yan. Huwag nyo nang open. Huwag nyo nang i-open, guys, kasi para hindi din masira. Huwag na kayo mag-open. Yeah. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo na lang yung maganda yung size niya and then that's it. Careful.
Catch the mouse. Somebody catch the mouse.
Aray. Ang cute din mga kaysa ng mga mais. Ayan. Saan? Sige, tingnan nyo na lang yung basta yung medyo alam nyo sa tingin nyo malaki siya. Pwede na yan.
This one right here, Mom.
Okay. All the second. Dexa, come here. Oh, where? I think this one is big, Dexa. Oh, yeah, that one. You give to others. Yeah. The other one din. Okay, Dexa. Again, and then she will twist it, Daddy. She knows that, Daddy. Oh. See? Wow! Show Daddy! Show Daddy, baby!
What about that one?
Okay, yeah, that one is big though. Yes.
Nope, maliit.
Ito, ate. Okay, this one. Yeah, that one. Yes. Go show Daddy. Daddy, go to Daddy. Hi! I love that. More. Let's see more. Big. Ate, you can choose and then let your sister do it. No, that's...
Naging farmer si Dexa sa Canada. Sa?
Dexa!
Okay, yun dun ka kay ate muna. Dun ka kay ate.
Ito social na farmer. Ito social na farmer, may electric fan pa. Oh. Grabe ka.
Okay, wait. Sila. Wait lang po.
Ma, how about this one? Ito.
Saan?
Ito, pwede. Ito siya. Ito. Pwede ito. Yan. This one.
Yun na yung basket niya.
No, it's okay. Dadaan pa tayo. Ooh, twist. Twist and turn.
Ang galing Dexa, oh.
Ang galing niya.
Ang galing mo sa, oh. Okay, put it
Malaki
there.
ba yun, Dad?
This one? Which one? This one? No. Stay down.
Kunin na lang. Ako na mamaya magawak, Dexa, para makaano ka na.
This one, I think. Oh. It's more the sleep.
That's all. Hindi pa yun?
Okay, corn picking for the kids this day. Yan, dito pa din kami sa Jungle Farm. The Jungle Farm. Okay, Dexa, tingin lang kami ng pwedeng i-pick ni Dexa so that we can share to you guys. Ayan, sige Dexa, come on. Pick. Ang dami din kaso maliliit pa lang. Oh, it's okay. Corn. It's called corn. They put some label on it. Okay, so pili tayo. Dexa, pili tayo, Dexa. Nakapick ka, ate? Okay, so marami dito din kaso lang yung iba maliliit pa. So, Dexa, come here. This one is big. Come on.
Wait.
This one. Okay, yeah. Okay. Kusin na nyo kung paano mag-ano si Dexa. Okay, get that one. Get it. Get. Oh! Aray. Yan. Woo! Nakuha ni Dexa yan. Pipili ka pa ba, Dexa? Dexa, pipili ka pa ba? Pag brown daw, sabi ni Daddy. Okay, go ahead na. Go ahead na po. Okay, go ahead. Okay, come on. Let's go. So, marami ditong corn nga naman. Wag na kasi baby pa yan pag ganyan. Okay, go.
You know, back home we have 101 hectares.
What?
Farm. Back home in the Philippines.
1 hectares ka dyan.
101.
Sobra naman yan. Sobra naman yan. Yeah.
What have you been doing?
We have like this. Tapos masarap pa nga yun kasi we called it dekat. Dekat na mait. It's white. It's not yellow. But we also have yellow one. Super dami nun. At saka that one is the livelihood ng mga tao. Yeah, yun yung sa amin. Nagpapatanim si Nanang noon for kain lang. Sige. Okay. That's our corn maze. Corn maze, no? Corn picking for today. Let's go to the other side. Yeah.
Ang dami mo kinuha
Ayan.
na.
Sige, we will take her a picture. Ito pa?
Eat rice this week, okay?
Yeah, because we had a lot of corn.
Instead of rice, we're gonna eat corn.
Corn. Oh yeah, there's a yellow and there's a green zucchini. Okay, Dexa, come on. Just pick for the barbecue of Daddy. I-barbecue ni Daddy yan. Mag-stick na siya ng Monday.
The yellow?
Yes, you can get the yellow one and then I think they have also the green one. Ayan siya. Ayan yung mga zucchini here. Although we can put this one in the backyard.
The giant
malaking.
one?
No, not the giant, bebe. Matigas na yan, anak ko. Yeah, malalaki. Yung malalaki, sobrang tigas na yan.
Because it's like nobody took it.
Yes. Eh, hindi ba to eggplant yung kabila? O, eggplant siya. Ito, kabila. Wala pa siyang bunga.
Yan ang tatlong yellow na yun. Yan, pick this one, twist it.
Ano ata yung dad? Wag naman sobrang wag sobrang. Yeah, that one, bebe. You can get that one. Yan, yung maliliit lang. Oh, Daddy, ginawa niyang ganun.
Okay na.
Okay. You have to get the niya, bebe. Oh, yeah. Okay, give to Daddy. Give to Daddy.
Kunin ko yung ito. Yun sa likod.
The other one dun sa side na yun, anak. May size na tama. O, ito lang, Dexa. Tama lang to. Yan. Twist it properly. Twist it. 2 hands, maybe. Make it 2 hands. There. O, ganyan siya dapat, baby. Ganyan. Okay. Ilan pa, Daddy? Yung makain natin. Yung makain lang. Hatiin mo lang sa gitna. Yeah. Yung ganun lang size. Get green one siguro. Ito green one, baby. Oh. Ito tama lang yung size nyo. Malaki pa nga yan eh.
This one?
Ayan, yan. No, this small one. This small.
The green.
Yan. Okay, yan. Pwede pa yan. Twist.
Baka hindi ito, no?
Yeah, it's the same, Daddy. May ganyan. Tsaka last year nakakuha tayo. Yeah.
Green and yellow.
Kuha tayo.
I keep getting
Big,
Last
get the big one.
one. Wag yung big one, matigas yan.
I think that one's good now.
No, hindi.
right here.
Matigas, Dad, tsaka hindi masarap.
Ito.
Yeah.
Ow. Ano ka ba na?
Okay, okay, go. Go ahead. Careful. And then we're good. Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay na yan. Ganito.
There's like a whole thing.
Oh yes, come here guys. Come on. Dexy. Mamaya, Daddy. Yeah, here. Jackson, Dexy, come on. Ang cute nak, no? Ba't wala tayong nakitang ganyan? B, they are not selling? I don't know where. Okay. So yan, ito yung store nila. So ito, dito ka magbabayad. So yan. Si Dex ako na nakikita. Oh. Yan. So may mga ready to pick na din sila dito eh. If ever pupunta ka. Yan, madami silang mga gani-ganito dito. Traditional. May mga parsley sila, oh. Dried herbs. Yeah. So, yan po yung mga ready to pick nila. Yan. O, ito yung sinasabi nilang basket lang, ano?
Mini basket.
Yeah, mini basket. Yan. So, yan. Dito kayo magbabayad. This is strawberry shortcake, guys. So, ito yung pinakamasarap na strawberry shortcake na natikman ko sa buong Alberta. Ayan. Yeah! Sa buong Alberta, you know. We tried the shortcake dun sa Ontario nung pumunta tayo. Kaso lang parang hindi ko pa na-enjoy. Nawala to yung cake natin na yun.
It wasn't as good though. To be honest.
Ay, hindi siya ganun kasarap yun? Oh, thank you. Sige. Aha.
It wasn't light and coffee. It was denser. And the
Ayan yung nakuha namin, no? Ayan.
Mommy, and the strawberries were tasty.
Oh, so ito yung gagawin ng mga kids nyo here. Kain ng cake, mag-pick ng strawberry, vegetable. Actually, marami pa dyan, pero hindi na namin tonight.
You don't need it?
We need, but we don't have time. So that's all for today. Bye! Say bye to the vlog!
Be back next week because we're gonna have more next week.
Okay. Oh, grabe.
I'll look at
Yan, tapos na kami sa pagkain. So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Dami din dito. Ang gaganda. Let's go! Yeah, yun.
This is so nice.
Yeah, I know. That's a nice place, though. Yeah. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Wala, hindi kayo nagsasalita.
Strawberries and corn in our cooler. Oh,
Yeah, kasha siya.
Daddy, don't you need to return their basket to them?
No. That's ours.
Oh, that's ours, the tray?
Oh, the dirt like that.
Yeah?
I think we have to.
Yeah, you have to return it. Zucchinis. Okay, goodbye, Dad. I'll close it now.
Ang pinakamalaking strawberry yata na nakuha ng mga kids. Sige, nakagat mo, Dexa.
It's a giant one.
Giant, right? Ayan. Ang laki. Eat mo nga. Tingnan nga natin kung yummy siya. Eat mo na. Super sweet.
Strawberries are my favorite.
Okay, yeah, I know. Ay, bakit ka pa nakasapatos, girl? Okay, sige, nakain ka muna.